Are you looking for a good dash cam for your 6th gen 4Runner? Then this is the video for you. Today I'll be reviewing the Mangoal OEM style dash cam. The beauty about this company is they try to make it look OEM style so you don't have something hanging on your window that looks ugly. So they actually make replacement plastic parts that go where your sensors are for your cruise control and stuff. The dash cam will actually be replacing this plastic part, then the camera is just built in right here. So first you want to take this off. So to take off the OEM plastic part, all you do is push down and it just clips off. So looking here on the replacement part, you can see there's the camera. Obviously that's the lens. And then there's 3 wires right here. Here you have the rear camera wire. So they do have an option if you want to get a rear camera. And then here's the power. And then here's the GPS cord. And it says GPS. I won't be using this. I don't really care to. This will just be able to track your speed and where you're at on your dash cam videos when you go into the app. I don't really care for that, so I'm not going to be installing this. So don't worry about that. I mean, if you want to install it, it's pretty simple. You just plug it in and then you just go stick the GPS thing wherever you want. So with the rear facing camera, they do give you a lot of extra cord if you do run to the back. But since the 4Runner's windows roll down and up, you kind of don't want this on there if you use that feature because, it'll break it off. But it's kind of hard with one hand. But this will actually turn the camera itself. So what I'm going to do is not use the extra slack. I'm just going to plug it in like this and then just have this below facing the cab. So, if there's an accident or something funny that happens on the road, we could get the reactions of me and my, girlfriend driving it. So here's the adapter cord to get power to the dash cam. When you come up here, this right here normally clicks in there, but the cord just goes in the middle. So let me get that installed and show you what it looks like. You do the connector, you just plug it in, plug it back in, and then here's the power cord. So I got the power hooked up, and then you can see how there's little clips on each side. They just go right there. If you can see it, where they clip on. Right here, kind of hard by myself, but right there's a gap. I'm gonna run my dash cam wire through that, the rear camera through that, so I can wire up my rear camera. But I'm going ahead and try and slide that back on. I got it all clicked in. There's the wire sticking out. You take this piece, obviously, to fill in that gap right there. That just pops in like that. Looks pretty OEM. You can kind of just see there's an added, camera right there. Now let's get the rear cam installed. And boom, I put the camera there. Make sure you have the arrow pointing up for whatever it is. Just a little wire running there. That stuff is super sticky. I'm not worried about that coming off at all. What's also pretty neat is they do include 128 gigabyte micro SD for the camera. To connect to the app, they give you a QR code right there, Wi-Fi name and password, and you just connect via Wi-Fi to the dash cam to link the app. Once you get the app downloaded, you can kind of see and connect the camera. You can go here to album. This will show you all your downloaded videos. And you go back to camera, you click access camera. It'll show you what the camera's looking like right now. And then you can click camera files, let it load. And here's all the recordings, a bunch of recordings of me installing it and then went and drove it. But yeah, that is kind of just the basics of the app. Here's a video of me driving so you can kind of see the quality around, I guess, my town and neighborhood. The quality is pretty good. I didn't show you guys the camera facing me because that'd probably bore you, just showing me drive. But yep, the quality's pretty good. So if you get in an accident, this will definitely help you out, or if you're using this to film funny moments or whatever. If you wanted to kind of see what it looks like through the windshield, you can barely notice that it's there. Well, that kind of does the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you're looking for a dash cam, I say that's a pretty good option. Records in 4K, you get front and rear. They make it for every vehicle. I'll be doing a video soon on the Tacoma. Thank you again for Mangoal for sending it out. I was gonna buy a dash cam for this anyway, and then they reached out, so might as well do a video on it and have a good old dash cam. I will have a link down below if you want to pick this up yourself. It'll probably be, I think, an Amazon link, or it might go straight to the website, but it's a really easy install, and you get a dash cam and you don't have something else hanging on your windshield. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want, click the link down below. It'll be my website. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. I will do more gear installs on the 4Runner, and I do camping videos and all that. So if that interests you, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video and learned something new, hit the like button. Have a good one.